Folks, there's no other way to say it. We need to talk. And the moral of the story of this video is, I don't want nobody to get scammed anymore. This is getting out of proportion. Please, let's talk. I've never started a video where my blood is boiling from the first second. Let's put it this way. Folks, there's so much information on YouTube, on social media, really helpful and good information that you could use in your daily life that will improve things. Information shared from experts in a subject matter or DIYers sharing what they know. I mean, it's a beautiful thing, except the folks that want to use it just for a quick buck. There's no such thing as a quick buck. For those international viewers, there's no such thing as quick money. There's no such thing. You need to work very hard to earn something respectable. That's how the life works. Let's start. There is a short version of this video, there is a long one. Let's start with the short one, in case somebody doesn't watch the whole thing with details. There has been a lot of videos from one specific channel mentioning my name, my channel name, false information. That doesn't bother me one bit. But you know what bothers me? Folks actually associating myself with this false information. Folks, there's a channel called Online Cars or whatever. To me, it's an AI channel. But please don't get scammed by this. And then I need another full-time job just to track the folks that steal our channel's content and other folks as well. I don't have time to be chasing after them, flat out. I work very hard day and night. I have a family. I have a lot of responsibilities. I don't have time to be chasing after them. So let's cut to the chase. I have a YouTube channel on YouTube, which you are watching right now. I have a second YouTube channel on YouTube, which is the Car Care Nut Reviews, where we review other models other than Toyota. Just flat car reviews, nothing else. I have a very inactive Instagram account. And I have an even more inactive Facebook account because I don't have time. I'm flat out, I'm going to tell you, I work multiple full-time jobs here. I work day and night, and I don't have time to be focused on other social media accounts. And I don't do TikTok. I actually do have a TikTok account. It has maybe one video, and I don't have time to be posting in there as well. If you go on TikTok right now, you will find 10 car care channels with content daily. Lot of subscribers and everything. Folks, that's all somebody stealing our content. And honestly, I don't have the time to be chasing after them. I have more important things to do, like create meaningful content for you. That's the first thing. If you go on Facebook, there was a person that created, and I don't know how Facebook does this. They created that Car Care Nut Facebook account when there's already one, and they're posting content daily. And when I disputed, well, who's the inactive account and who's the real one? I couldn't really be bothered by that. So folks, let's keep it simple. I don't have any other social media accounts other than the channel you're watching right now and the Car Care Reviews channel. Anything else? That is not me. Let's put it this way, because it is getting out of proportion. It's getting too much. I mean, God bless my viewers because they're awesome. On a daily basis, I get multiple emails. Hey, is this channel you? Is this channel you? Look at what this person said. Look at what that person said. That's what I'm seeing. Folks, these are all fake accounts. And I don't even know what Telegram is. That's come on and say it. That's like a bot scam or something going on. I started chasing after it for the sake of folks that watch the channel. But I hope at this point, everyone knows that any solicitation of Telegram on the comment section is a scam. Let's put it this way. That is the short version of this. The long version of this. Scamming in the world is becoming a problem. I mean, I just have one word, maybe two. Just small, humble sense from an old school person, from a different, sometimes I feel like I'm coming from a different world, the world that's slowly disappearing. It is much easier for you to work hard and earn an honest day's living than scam people and do shady things. I see it easier. It's easier to do the right thing. You feel better about it, you sleep better, people respect you, people like you, people care for you. It's easier. It's much easier. And you know what? No amount of money or luxuries or whatever will stand just anything even remotely close to conscience, a clean one. That is worth everything in the world for me. That's the bottom line. Here's what's going on. I started noticing this one channel, Only Cars. God bless them. Maybe they are actually a person behind it. Pretty sure, because AI doesn't do its own thing. Although the videos are all AI. Started making just going on at the oil viscosity thing, which, folks, I don't like to repeat myself multiple times because I feel like my viewers are extremely intelligent. We talk about a subject, we shake hands, whether I'm right or wrong. That's just my humble 2 cents. We agree on things or disagree on things, and that's perfectly fine. And move on. I don't keep video after video after video talking about the exact same thing over and over and over. No, we make one video about it and move on. Maybe a year's time, if things change, we make an update, and that's about it. So let's revisit the oil viscosity thing. According to one of these videos, I took 2 cars and I drove them to 100,000 miles, one with 0-20 and one with 530. And then we took the engines apart and we did a direct comparison. Let's just say that didn't happen because I'm very busy and that takes a monumental task to drive 2 cars 200,000 miles for the sake of an argument that started a few months ago by an AI video. So no, we did not do that. That's what that video alleged. Actually gave me a new name. Apparently my name is Ali. Nothing wrong with that name. Beautiful. Actually, my best friend's name is that. But fake information, folks. That's not correct. And what was alarming me is there's a lot of our viewers in that video commenting, wait, I missed that video. I didn't see that. I'll make one promise. If I drive two cars, 200,000 miles in between the 2 cars and make a test like that, you will hear me say that in every single video because that's quite a task. That is not a simple task. That never happened, folks. I share with you information based on years of experience working on these cars. I'm just a human. I'm just sharing what I know. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. I'm just sharing what I would do for the car that I put my kids in as a professional, someone working in the industry. That's all it is. That's the first thing. But the more alarming thing, don't really care about the part about me. I have tough skin, we're fine. But my biggest concern is you folks. Because I am seeing an alarming number of folks talk about one single video, happens to be from that same channel, and a document spreading around on the internet. That document alleges that it's a technical service bulletin from Toyota that they backed out of the 0-20 and they're switching to 5W30. I'm sorry, there is just one problem I have with that document. Anyone reads it, you will immediately know it's fake. Because I'm sorry, if Toyota writes such a document in such a poor way, I have much bigger problems than what the document is saying with Toyota. Folks, that document is fake. It's AI generated. It is horribly, poorly made. Because the person that generated it was so just caught up with their scam, they didn't even read it. Shall we read a small section of that just for you to get an idea? Not taking things out of context. Now, we're gonna pay attention to this. This is exactly what is written at the bottom of this just earth-shattering secret information released on the internet. Update owner's manual to secure new stocking and toned notion stanos. I'm an immigrant. There's this language above my knowledge level here. And this is where my immigrant stops. I can't read. That's too complicated of a word for me. Maybe I don't know English. And then let's start with the next one. This one is the best one in my book. Not recommended for continued 0W20 oils load in these scenarios. Undeter, and that's a word way above my humble English knowledge. Continue 0W20 use. Continue can be wanted stand use in these scenarios. Folks, I just have to say one thing. This is what that sounds to me like. It's one of two things. Either that is the poorest AI job I've ever seen in my life, or that is the King James version of that TSP. If you're a Christian and you've read the King James Bible, you'll know what I mean. I don't think this is the King James version of that TSP. I think this is a fake one. Flat out. Number one, TSPs, let's talk about them. They are public information, folks. You can find them online and it's a website. That's number one thing. Second, a TSP like that comes out, I will be the first one to talk about it, because that is public information that the public should know about. That is a major turn, if that was correct. Folks, that is false. And the reason I am making this video and talking about it is because the number of folks that we have on the shop calling concerned, hey, I need to switch my oil, is alarming. I'm going to make you a pledge right now. And unless you request it, we're going to keep this pledge. This is the last time we talk about oil viscosity, because this whole thing is overblown, unnecessary. We need to move past it, folks. Because I'm just going to tell you one thing. Is the 5th generation 4Runner unreliable? Is the GX460 unreliable? Is the Toyota Tundra or the V8, the 5.7, unreliable? That just let me know the answer to those, because if they are reliable, then the 0W20 oil in them is perfectly fine. But if they are unreliable, then we have a conversation to talk about. That's all I'm going to say. But the pledge is, we're done with this conversation, folks. This has gone way too much. And you know, everybody has made videos about them, but you notice I made a small shorts, and I've seen a lot of interest from folks to go into details. We made a video, but that is the end of that. I feel like we are too into this subject and we're missing a lot of things. Things like in this TSP, apparently the Tundra now has a 2.4 liter turbo. That's 4-cylinder. That's a new one. That's interesting. Yeah, that's fake as well, folks. Folks, please be careful online. This is a message from me, please, because it's really alarming and concerning. I care more about you than anything else in this realm of social media. That's why I started. I started my channel to help folks. Share what I know, contribute a small part in the world. And I've been privileged to be able to actually do that. It's a privilege, but at the same time, it's a great responsibility. I spend a lot of time and thought and just really, but every single piece of information I share, do you know why? Not because I want to be right. Oh, I could be wrong. I'm just a human. Because it's a great responsibility to tell others something that they could actually do. And if it affects their life, I will never be able to live with that. That's the important message here. That's why it's a great responsibility to do content like this that helps folks. Because if you're just doing it for the sake of views and this and that, you could hurt folks. And that's not what we are set out to do. That's not good. Folks, be careful online. I always tell you this. We're doing a DIY video. I tell you, watch this video, watch others, educate and learn. We're not the only source for this. There's a lot of other folks doing great videos out there, really helpful with their heart in the right place. Watch as much as you want. It's free, folks. That's the best part. Yeah, sure, there's the ads. And there's no state secret that we get compensated for these ads because we put a lot of time and effort into this. But for you, other than watching the ads, it is free. Watch as much as educate. Don't trust one source and one source only. Watch others. There's a lot of really good YouTube channels out there that share information from the right place. That's all I'm telling you. Folks, I hope nobody gets scammed online because it's getting out of proportion. Like this past couple of weeks, my phone is ringing off the hook. Just random numbers. Sometimes they're important calls. I have to send them all to voicemail, and whoever is important hopefully leaves a voicemail so I can call them back. because the scam calls are just unbelievable. That's the world we live in. You can't even trust somebody calling you on the phone. They're probably scamming. That's the first thing that pops to mind. Sad, but it is what it is. That's the world we live in, I suppose, unfortunately. Folks, I do apologize for the kind of somber tone of this video, but I needed to set the record straight and put some facts on the ground. That TSP is fake. I never tested 2 cars with 100,000. That's just a ridiculous claim. But I do not have 10 TikTok accounts. I do not have 10 Facebook pages. I only have this channel and the Car Care Reviews. And if you follow me on Instagram, I am sorry, but I work day and night. I don't really update that page at all. Same thing with Facebook. That's a reality. I'm not ashamed to say it. It's just I work a lot, folks, and that's a reality. Folks, thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all happy and safe online education, surfing, entertainment, whatever it is. But stay safe out there, because the world is full of good, but it's also full of evil, unfortunately. And until the next video, folks, may the Lord bless you and keep you, and you have yourself a wonderful day.